Say hi, Jasmine.
Hi.
Oh, that's Mika washing dishes since the past 2 hours. Eva, I want to chat with you, Eva. What's going on?
What one?
I feel like I haven't seen you in a video for a long time.
Yes, for a long time.
No, what's changed? Like, what's new since the last time we spoke?
New, a lot of new jobs.
This is now on your 10th job?
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm not even joking. Eva has gotten so many jobs since she's been here. And she's not lost a month in one.
I lasted 1 month.
Malia, be careful. She hasn't lasted, you lasted 1 month in one?
Yeah, 1 month and then all of a sudden, yeah.
Yeah, but that's the thing, right? She keeps getting all these jobs. Now, Eva is working with the college.
Yes.
Which is
I'm
awesome.
loving it. Yes, that is really my thing.
Yeah.
Admin, Excel.
Until she resigns.
No, never. I
heard-
hope I'm gonna be full time.
I heard this song already. I heard this song already, guys. I heard, oh my god, I really love this job. Oh, it's such a nice environment. And then as soon as I talk to her, oh, I resigned this job. Oh man.
Still a baby. Yeah, but now, yeah.
Jasmine is at the stage that she just wants to cling onto mommy.
Yeah, that's the Filipino thing.
Whoa, Malia is eating.
But what? What? Don't be that kind.
Why are you eating out Malia's fruits?
Oh, look, Malia. Huh? I don't know.
Is it apple?
Okay,
So yeah, her husband just called me just now, apologizing to going to work.
yeah.
At least Joshly is keeping one job.
My God, yeah, I don't know.
But that aside, Eva, how is it going otherwise? Like,
oh, good.
no, of course, it's minus 25 outside right now. It's been, I'd say it's definitely winter now.
Yeah, it is.
The nights are longer. The days are shorter. How is that adjustment?
Jasmine, wait. Oh, you just need to cover yourself up and the right gear at the right temperature.
But how
I sit downstairs on my school by myself.
oh, she's a big girl.
There's nice.
That's
You're such a good girl.
So the days are shorter.
Yes.
It's getting dark really early.
Yes, it's
And-
not even, the sun is not even coming out.
How has that affected you guys?
No, not at all, because maybe because we are family and we are here. We are happy that we are together.
Yeah.
And we're not thinking about, we are thinking how we will pay our bills.
Yeah.
That's all.
That's all.
We don't think of anything much other than the weather. No, we just need to, what we're gonna wear during this winter time. That's it.
That's it.
But I understand because I have a friend and she's kind of feeling like down every
Down.
time. Yeah, it's like I'm really sad today, and I can't really relate because I keep on asking why do you feel, I don't know, maybe the weather because it's so gloomy the whole day.
Yes.
And the sun said, yeah, maybe. And I've also read in some of the forums or some of the group that I'm in that a lot of people they just don't want this weather because they feel so homesick because they are
yeah.
alone.
It's tough in
Yeah.
terms of it puts you in a depressing kind of mood.
Yeah.
That's like for me, I hate winter.
You feel that? But
Well,
you're-
it just puts you not depressed, but in
but in
like
a lazy mood.
in a lazy
Yeah,
mood.
In a lazy mood.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
That's the word. That's the word.
Yeah,
Right?
we do feel that as well, but yeah, we we need to keep going. We need to work.
So you guys been here now 4 months.
4 months, yes.
4 months. Any regrets?
I know. I'm looking forward for more.
Or more?
No regrets at all.
And what about Grande Prairie as a city? Is it still? Is your opinion still the same,
Yes.
or has it changed?
No, not
No?
at all. With just so eager to be like what I'm telling to my friend the other day, that because she asked me why Grande Prairie, said, to tell you honestly, I don't know Grande Prairie before until when we came here, and really we are so amazed with how the city is. It's like they're very welcoming. We even had the welcome kit. Yes, and we even have and now we're like, the jobs are everywhere. You can easily find a job, and
You should easily find a
easily.
job.
I can guarantee you that.
That is facts. That is facts.
Yeah, that is a real fact. That's real. That
There,
is not.
there's a lot of jobs and everything is close.
Yes.
So you don't have to be driving like for a long period of time
No.
to get to anywhere.
Yes, and the one thing I've told my friend that it's busy. Your life is busy, but you still have time for your family because the area is small.
Exactly.
So when you have what's it, the fastest you can.
Fast pace.
Yeah, it's what I mean is after you work, then you have fastest time to be home.
Oh, as in it's
Yeah.
short.
Yeah.
The period of time to get
Yes.
home, the traveling
Exactly.
distance, I
The
gotcha.
travel, because the farthest is just 10 minutes away.
So, Canada to Dubai,
No.
right? Now, like a lot of persons here, especially like persons like the average person, right? When they hear about Dubai, persons would say, isn't that like the best place to live and stuff like that?
I don't want to Jasmine.
Isn't that the best place to live? And why would you leave Dubai to come to Canada and stuff like that? What was it like living in Dubai?
Okay, for Dubai, yes, we are so thankful, of course. For 10 years, we've been there, and yeah, we have also, a lot of properties we have bought because we were in Dubai. Yes, and then, but the thing is, for long-term purpose.
Yeah.
Yes, for long-term purpose. Because there's no permanent residency.
Oh, that's
there.
right.
Yeah, there's no permanent residency. You will get your visa because it's affiliated or connected with your work. So our concern, me and my husband, were like, we need to have a job. Otherwise, you will be what do you call them?
Like other status, like
Yeah, out of status or no visa, and you have to turn it to tourist visa, which will last for 2 months. Now they change, and they keep on changing the rules, and it's like, and it's very expensive to live there. It's like for this price that we have for 4 bedroom, it's only like a 1 bedroom.
oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Now, like, something else about Dubai, like, for example, in Canada, like, Joshly has a study permit, you have a spousal open work permit. Was it like similar in Dubai, like you get a visa because your spouse has a visa, or did you have to like get your own?
Yeah.
You have to get your own.
Yes. For you to be able to have the spousal visa, your husband should have a $10,000 dirham salary.
Per month.
Yes, per month. In order for your husband to sponsor you.
Yeah. And is it possible to get like for example your 3 kids, right? Like that $10,000, would that be able to cover your entire family or just like your spouse?
Yeah, no, for the entire family.
Okay.
You must have that. But if you're a lady or a wife that would like to sponsor your husband, you have to go into the court and file for no objection from your husband.
Oh
It's
man.
it's very difficult
That's
if you're
crazy.
a wife, if you're a woman who wants to sponsor your husband because your husband is not able to get a job, and it's much higher salary. You must get 15 above salary. Yeah.
So the other day you guys were telling me about the rural pathway. In case you guys don't know, the rural pathway is a stream that the Albertan government uses to give persons who live in rural communities permanent residency in Canada, right? And you guys got invited to a seminar
Yes.
that they were talking about it. Like, what would you say about it? Like, from what you can remember.
That is one of the perks living in Grande Prairie, because they really takes care of the new immigrants or the newcomers here. So they have this center of newcomers wherein they can assess your documents. And when I met one of the coordinators before. He's also Filipino. Now he works in school, and he told me that, oh, you're newcomers, so you better go to this newcomer center because it's funded by the government, the IRCC itself.
Yeah.
So they will really help you to assess your documents, which pathway they can advise you, which pathway you can go to. Once they assess your documents. So one of these days, if we get the time, me and Josh and my family will go there and check, because they have their own office in downtown.
And then before you know it, the Kawukams will be permanent residents of Canada.
And of course, before that, the DiAndersons soon.
It's already done. We're just waiting.
Yes, of course.
You know that same building that Eva is talking about, the newcomers building. You know what's so awesome about that building is that there's other programs as well. Like if you're a permanent resident of Canada and you should lose your job or you fall on difficult times, that same office will pay your rent until you get a job.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's in the same office, and also give you funds like for also give you grocery and stuff. Not the EI, but in terms of it gives you additional support.
Yeah, that's what they said. It's a lot of things that they can offer for the newcomers, because they are funded by the IRCC itself. It's a government funded.
Eva is so knowledgeable about the study permit process and also the just general pathway as being a student. I'm so impressed because she does all her research herself.
All by myself. All by myself.
And stuff. So yeah, that's amazing. As you can see, our entire family is here, and that's not something that is easy.
Yeah.
A lot of persons are always saying that a family of two or three and four is usually turned down, but Eva is a family of five. And it's just a blessing, right? It's just, I remember when Eva was in Dubai and we had to download Microsoft the Google Meet in order to talk to them, because they weren't able to use Instagram video call or anything like that. So I remember when
it's been a year we've been exchanging messages.
Yeah, over a year actually.
Yeah,
it's been over a year. And
hey Jimar, about when I saw your tour around the school.
Yeah, I'm like, I had no idea how to pronounce her last name. So I just called her Eva. And then I didn't meet Joshly until probably
here in Canada.
No, I didn't speak to Joshly until this year.
Yeah, until this year, because of when we don't have the accommodation yet. Yeah.
That was when I first spoke with Joshly. And I'm like, this guy is like the Filipino version of Dems.
Yeah, he is. He's so funny guy. But Nats, I've accidentally met Nats. You remember the Instagram call? It's supposed to be and then I was on the process of applying, but there's a certain question, right? That I don't know how to answer, and then I'm messaging you, and then I was trying to call you, but Nats were there, said, why is video call? Oh my God, it's like.
But nothing happens by accident, though. That's exactly what it should be.
He said, oh, because at that time you were in the hospital, right? Yeah, you were in the hospital with Malia.
Okay.
That fever, I think.
With Malika.
My Malika, yeah. She got fever at that time.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
I wasn't.
Yeah.
I wasn't a part
I
of that
completely
conversation.
remember that because that's the.
I wasn't a part of that conversation.
Can you throw? Oh no, Jasmine. No. Ay, Jasmine. Ay, cut that off. Talaga itong bata. Jasmine, ha? What? Sheen,
Come on, talk to me a little bit. Come on, tell me about
talk
school.
about your school.
Come on, tell me about school. Guys, this is the most talented kid I have ever met. I'm not even joking. She is so talented. She can sing, she can dance. What else can you do?
She can draw.
You can draw. Like,
Paint.
Yeah.
Earlier, we also did like a clay mold, and we made a cross.
listen, remember this face, guys. Remember this face. Oh, it's Canada, she. I remember when I just met you, when you just came here, you said you missed Dubai. Do you still miss Dubai?
No. Because in Dubai it's hot, here it's cold.
You prefer to be cold? And how is school going?
Good.
Good? You have lots of friends as yet, or not really?
All of my classmates are my friends, but in other grade, I also have a friend.
Okay.
In grade 8, I also have a friend.
Okay, and what is school like? Like, do you enjoy school here more, or do you prefer school in the Philippines?
A little bit in Philippines, and here is 100%.
Yeah? What about you, Mika? Mika's laughing. Mika, do you prefer school here?
You still washing at it?
She's still doing this.
I said, why is she washing dishes?
She's putting all the dishes here.
Oh, later na yan.
I'm like, that's a lot of dishes.
Oh,
Oh,
later na
man.
dali. Oh, you tell your experience. Sheen,
Mika! Oh, it's cool, Mika.
Jasmine.
Good? Oh, man.
Sheen, wag mong panoorin
What do you like most about school?
The people there, the teachers,
Teachers?
and my classmates.
Your classmates?
Yeah,
Oh, man.
they're so funny.
Do you love living in Grande Prairie?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, man. You know what? It's amazing to see how quickly you guys adjust
Sheen.
to the society. It's like you guys have been here so long.
Yeah, that's what we're also
Yeah.
feeling.
It's like you guys have been here so long, especially the kids, right?
Yeah.
Like, I thought that you guys would have like hated the cold. Well, everyone hates the cold, but I thought you guys would have been like probably like
Yeah.
not liking it because it's so cold and stuff like that.
Which one?
But I'm really happy that you guys like it. Do you like the snow?
No.
I did tell you guys that after you experience it for the
Yeah,
first time.
first
Do you like the snow still?
No. I changed my mind. No, for a long time, it's a different story.
That's exactly what I said.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be this way
Yeah.
until May.
Until May, right? 6 months. Yeah,
Well, like in
but
April.
eventually we'll get paid for that. So it's fine.
Yeah, in April, like in March, like January, February, and March are the coolest months.
Yeah, that's what they said.
Especially February and March, coldest months, right?
It will go up to.
And you know what?
-50.
I heard on the news today that this winter is forecast to be colder than normal. So it's gonna be colder than what we have experienced, right?
Oh my God.
But in April, it starts melting.
So
Right.
that's the spring.
So spring is starting, but you still might get a few cold days. You still might get a few snow days, but it starts melting. The trees starts coming back. In May, you still might get snow, but no, summer is not yet.
No.
Spring is officially in Grande Prairie in May.
On May.
Yeah, May 21st or May long weekend, as it's called here, is when we usually say Nope. That's when we usually say winter is over.
Oh,
May long weekend is when we usually say as a marker that no more snow. Although you can get snow anytime, but that's when we usually say no more snow. And then summer is probably like May is spring. May is definitely spring. The trees are just getting back some leaves. The grass is just turning green again.
so when is the summer? I'm excited
The
for the summer.
summer is probably not on paper, but in terms of on paper, summer is actually May. But on paper, summer is probably mid-June.
Oh, okay.
Right, Lips? Summer is that mid-June, July. Mid-June. June,
And then fall is September.
August, September.
So we only have like May, June, July, August.
So we always say we have 2 weeks of summer.
Yeah. Yeah, share it with the baby.
2 weeks of summer
Yeah.
and 9 months of winter.
9 months. 9 months? I didn't realize that.
Yeah, it's hard. That's why when it's summer, everyone is out and about.
Yeah.
Everyone is outside. Everyone is just doing things.
But this time around, you can still do the. Was that from the one at the back? Was specific?
Yeah,
The one. Yeah, we want to do that too.
yeah, you can do it, but not when it's this cold.
Oh,
Yeah, they're sledding.
the sliding thing.
It's gonna be empty. Like when it's like -10, -15. That's when most persons go and do it. But not when it's
But not with
-30.
this, yeah.
You'll get frostbites. Yeah, and it's not pretty.
Yes.
Isn't that sour?
Oh, yes, is it
What, is she eating it like it's nothing?
Nothing, yeah.